Wanna know how to take user input in Java using the scanner tool? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, I have used an online compiler currently, but you can use any compiler or any app that you want. So I've copied this code right here, so you can just simply type in this code as well. So in this code, first things first, one important thing is you need to write this import java.util scanner. So this lets us use the scanner class for input. So under scanner input, we select a new scanner that is system.in. So this creates a scanner object to read input from the user. So what input.nextLine right here does is reads what the user types in string. So we have programmed this code in order to ask for its name where the user types it in, and then it will display the name. So just simply select one right here, and once that is done, right here input.nextLine should work where you should be able to enter your name. Just simply select enter, and now right here you can see hello ram prints out as hello with your data type name in it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.